Question number 7, exercise 7.6. Nandini's house is 9 upon 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So what you will do first, now they in the question what they have given the total distance between Nandini's house and her school. So total distance is equal to 9 upon 10 kilometer. From this total, sum of the distance she has covered by bus. So you will write distance covered by bus is half 1 by 2 kilometers. So this was the total distance, and from this she has covered half kilometer distance by bus. In question they are asking distance covered by walk. So what you will do, again total is given and some part is given. So what you are supposed to do, you have to do the subtraction to find out the other part. So what you will do, again for that you have to first find out the LCM of 10 and 2, that is denominator. The LCM will come 10. Numerator will be written as it is 9 and multiplied by 1. From where this 1 came, in the table of 10, 10 comes at 1 position, minus the numerator again 1 multiplied by, in the table of 2, 10 comes at 5th position. So I have written that. So now you have to just multiply 9 into 1, 9. 1 into 5, 5. Subtract 9 minus 5 is 4 upon 10. Now here I have already explained this. When you will get these type of fraction, first you have to see whether they can be reduced to lowest term. Yes, it can be done. These two are even numbers. In the table of 2, 4 comes at 2 position. In the table of 10, 10 come at 5 position. So both these numbers were divisible by 2. So I have reduced them. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So now you will mention the answer statement. Therefore 2 upon 5 meter distance she walked. This was your question number 7. Let's move with question number 8. Asha and Samuel have bookshelf. There are two students who have their own bookshelf. Same size, partly filled with books. Asha's shelf is 5 upon 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5th full. Whose bookshelf is more full? So now they are asking for comparison. Whose bookshelf is full? They are not asking some part or that thing. So for that what you will do, first you have to do the comparison, and then they are asking by what fraction. So how much means whose shelf is more full. So for that then you will do the subtraction. So two things they have asked. Let's move ahead. So Asha's shelf is equal to 5 upon 6 full. Samuel's shelf is 2 upon 5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? So for that you will do the comparison. Write the fraction 5 upon 6 and 2 upon 5, leaving the space in between. Then again what you will do, first make both the fractions equivalent. I have informed in rule as well. So 6 and 5, the LCM will come 30. So make them equivalent. 5 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 5, because we have to make the denominator 30. This we have already done in our previous exercises. Similarly you will do the other fraction also. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 6, both to make them equivalent. This is known as equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are those fractions whose either numerator or denominator are same. वो फ्रैक्शंस जिसके न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने होते हैं, उन फ्रैक्शंस को वी कॉल देम इक्विवेलेंट. नाउ इफ यू विल सी जस्ट व्हाई वी डू इट, जस्ट टू मेक आवर कैलकुलेशन easy. Now if you can see both denominators have 30, so comparison can be done in an easy way. 25 is greater, so therefore the answer statement will come Asha's bookshelf is more full. By how much? For that you will do the subtraction part and you will get the answer. Question number 9, that is Jaydev's take 2 whole 1 upon 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 upon 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So time taken by Jaydev is 2 whole 1 upon 5 minutes. Time taken by Rahul is 7 upon 4 minutes. Who take less time? Same method you will do in this question again. Make the equivalent fraction. We have to find the comparison. The LCM of 5 and 4 will come 20. make the equivalent fraction by multiplying with the same number. Here also do the same thing. And now they are asking in this question, be specific, they are asking the less time. So for that, this will come our answer. This was Rahul's fraction. So the answer statement will come, Rahul take less time. Now they are asking by what fraction. So for that, what you will do, you will subtract. Now the question arises, you will subtract the given fraction in the question. So for that, if you will do, again you have to first convert it into the equivalent fraction. So what I did, when we have already converted the equivalent fraction, so I am copying that only. Do the subtraction, you will find your answer. This was your exercise 7.6, question number 9, and the exercise is completed here.